Kingdom of Spain is a sovereign state located on the Iberian Peninsula, in southwestern Europe. Its mainland is bordered to the south and east by the Mediterranean Sea, except for a small land boundary with Gibraltar, to the north and northeast by France, Andorra, and the Bay of Biscay, and to the west and northwest by Portugal, and the Atlantic Ocean. Along with France and Morocco, it is one of only 3 countries to have both Atlantic and Mediterranean coastlines. Extending to 1,214 kilometers, 754 miles, the Portugal-Spain border is the longest uninterrupted border within the European. One of the oldest countries of Europe, Spain is located in the southwest of Europe, occupying maximum part of the Iberian Peninsula. This member state of the European Union is partly bordered by water bodies such as the Mediterranean Sea in the east, Strait of Gibraltar in the south, and Bay of Biscay in the north. It shares its land boundary with Portugal in the west, France, and Andorra in the north and northeast, and a small boundary with Gibraltar in the south. Spain, officially the Kingdom of Spain, has the 13th largest economy of the world. It is the 52nd largest country of the world with a total area of 505,370 square kilometers. Its geographic coordinates are 4000 N and 400 West, and Madrid is its capital and largest city. Besides the mainland Spain, its territory includes many islands on the Atlantic Ocean and the Mediterranean Sea, such as the Canary Islands in the Atlantic Ocean and the Balearic Islands in the Mediterranean. The flag of Spain is defined in the Spanish Constitution of 1978, consists of 3 horizontal stripes, red, yellow and red, the yellow stripe being twice the size of each red stripe. Traditionally, the middle stripe was defined by the more archaic term of Gualda, and hence the popular name Rojigualda, red weld. The origin of the current flag of Spain is the naval ensign of 1785, Pabellón de la Marina de Guerra under Charles III of Spain. It was chosen by Charles III. The flag remained marine for much of the next 50 years, flying over coastal fortresses, marine barracks, and other naval property. During the Peninsular War, the flag could also be found on marine regiments fighting inland. Not until 1820 was the first Spanish land unit, the La Princesa Regiment, provided with one, and it was not until 1843 that Queen Isabella II of Spain would make the flag official. Barcelona is the capital city of the autonomous community of Catalonia in Spain, and Spain's second most populated city, with a population of 1.6 million, within its administrative limits. Its urban area extends beyond the administrative city limits, with a population of around 4.7 million people, being the 6th most populous urban area in the European Union after Paris, London, Madrid, the Ruhr area, and Milan. It is the largest metropolis on the Mediterranean Sea, located on the coast between the mouths of the rivers Llobregat and Besòs, and bounded to the west by the Serra de Collserola mountain range, the tallest peak of which is 512 meters, 1,680 feet. Climate of Spain. The climate of Spain varies across the country. 3 main climatic zones, The three main climates can be distinguished according to geographical situation and orographic conditions. The Mediterranean climate is characterized by dry and warm summers, and cool to mild and wet winters. According to the Köppen climate classification, it is dominant on the Iberian Peninsula, particularly the Xa variety, with summer droughts covering all but the far northern part of the country, where the oceanic climate predominates. Local climatic categorizations divide this climate into standard Mediterranean of lowland regions and continentalized Mediterranean of the interior, according to altitude and the mildness/harshness of the winter season. The standard Mediterranean covers coastal areas, excluding the northern Atlantic coast, the Guadalquivir River Basin, and the lower reaches of the Tagus and Guadiana basins to the west of the country. The continentalized Mediterranean climate predominates in Spain's vast tablelands, Meseta Central, of the interior. The oceanic climate, CFB, is located in the northern part of the country, especially in the regions of Basque Country, Asturias, Cantabria. Food. A Murcian salad that consists of several types of grilled vegetables, such as eggplants, spicy red peppers, red tomatoes, and sweet onions. Once well cooked on the grill, those vegetables are peeled and slashed or sliced in strips, the seeds removed and seasoned with olive oil and salt, and sometimes fandango. At one point the most famous dance of Spain, the fandango is a lively, happy Spanish dance in twos. Paso doble, a quick one-step Spanish dance. Flamenco, a passionate dance hailing from gypsies. Flamenco is internationally famous. The euro was introduced as money in Spain in 2002. The majority of the European Union members adopted this new currency to make traveling between countries easier, since the currency for Spain is the same in most EU countries. The euro is the official currency of 16 of 27 member states in the EU: Austria, Belgium, Cyprus, Finland, France, Germany, Greece, Ireland, Italy, Luxembourg, Malta, the Netherlands, Portugal, Slovakia, Slovenia, Spain, and Estonia, due to join in 2011. The euro consists of 7 banknotes with values of 500, 200, 150, 20, 10, and 5, and 8 coins with values of 2, 1, 0.50, 0.20, 0.1.